Everybody, another day in paradise in beautiful Las Vegas. And what is going on in real estate? Well, for May, we did 140 sales a day, and I'm surprised at that because I thought that it might stay in the 130s, but we're only two less than last year, which is amazing. Just amazing. I love that. Even with the higher prices, we're going to talk about that in just a minute. But 32 days of inventory went down a little bit because of all the closings and maybe some expireds in there, not sure. But we adjusted the median single family homes to 485, and we listed 37 of those yesterday, and 485,000 and under. And that gives us 1,039 homes in the median price range on the market. And that's 31% of the 4,577. So we have 368 available high-rise homes, 470 condos, 3,406 single-family homes, 333 townhomes, for a total of 4,577 homes. Fantastic. We just listed 117 of these yesterday, all categories. We put 94 under contract, and we closed 191, which helped to bring our numbers up for the month. So all in all, not a bad month, really not a bad month at all, especially agents out there who are doing 2.5% or 3%. You did well. You did well. You did well. And year to date, we've done 18,825, and we're about almost 2,000 under last year, which really, for 5 months, that isn't bad. And last year, as I always say, was a record year. The investors have upped their game a little bit. They're up to 50 homes, which is 39% of the 39% of the year-to-date daily sales. So the investors are still taking a chunk. And I will tell you that the iBuyer platforms are still number 1, 2, and 3 in the overall transactions. So they're still leading the way. And of course, the non-MLS, the flippers out there are still in that as well. So in the first top 4 spots, it's not an agent, it's a group. So anyway, that's it's not changed that much. What has changed is the $1 million homes, the $1 million plus homes. We're selling over 5.5 a day, and that we have about 725 available homes on the market in that price range, which is a whopping 16% of the market. So yeah, the people are listing them, people are selling them, people are buying them. So that's a great thing.